In today's lesson, we want to look at something very fascinating, something that you will find perhaps a little bit foreign, especially for English speakers. It's going to be a foreign construction. It's connected with the prepositional case, although it may not seem like that in the beginning. Let's see what we've got. Okay, let's look first at the sentence «У нас есть собака». You know, it means we have a dog. So here we express possession that we have a dog. But what does it have to do with the prepositional case and our topic? I will tell you what it means. It means that you remember that by saying we have a dog, literally in Russian we say that there is a dog at us. So at us here, у нас, is actually a location where the dog exists. So initially, here I give the information that there is a dog that exists at me. She's located at me. So that's why here у нас functions as a location. В офисе есть принтер. There is a printer in the office. So в офисе is exactly one and the same construction. So you see, when in Russian you say I have a dog, and when you say there is a printer in the office, it's absolutely one and the same idea behind. It's about location. So в офисе есть принтер could be translated as there is a printer in the office. What we can do also, we can add у нас construction together and use it together with the location в офисе. So у нас в офисе есть принтер means there is a printer in our office, in the office at us. So this construction is very commonly used by Russian speakers to specify location. In whose office? In my office, in our office. У нас в офисе. Have a look at more examples. У нее в комнате есть окно. There is a window in her room, you're saying that the window exists, and then location at her in her room. Yeah, in English you will just say she has a window in her room. У меня дома есть кофе. I have coffee at home. У вас в городе есть метро? It's a question, so I'm emphasizing my logical emphasis here is where I raise my voice really high. У вас в городе есть метро? Is there a metro in your city? Do you guys have a metro in the city? In the city where you live, in your city. У тебя на работе есть компьютер? Is there a computer at your work? Do you have a computer at work? У вас в России есть лето? Do you guys have summer in Russia? У них в деревне есть магазин. They have a store in their village. That's it for now. We'll continue with the same topic and expand it a bit more very soon. Bye-bye, пока!